Welcome to Hoi An. Good morning, friends. We are here on the balcony of our beautiful hotel here in Hoi An. It is pouring down rain currently behind us, but we're not going to let that stop us because we have a lot of exciting things planned today.
We're going to go start off with some lunch at a Banh Mi shop that is made famous by Anthony Bourdain. We're going to go to a photography gallery that shows all the different tribes of Vietnam, all the indigenous people, like their clothing and like all their how they live their life.
We're also, I think, going to grab some coffee and maybe just kind of relax. And if the rain stops later tonight, we're going to take a famous boat ride here in Hoi An.
All right, let's see you out there.
Just made it to Banh Mi. I hope I'm saying that right. This spot was made famous by Anthony Bourdain, and we've just come here to get some banh mi's. It is very busy and very chaotic, but we're so excited to eat.
So I got the traditional banh mi, paprikam, got all the porks in there, veggies. It's really good. Water.
One number A, one number five, number 3.
Mine had a lot of fresh herbs, a little spiciness to it. It's probably the best banh mi I've had so far because it was the least amount of questionable meat. A little better quality than some of the spots I've been to. I give it a 9 out of 10.
I got a vegetarian banh mi with tofu and avocado. It looks so tasty. Let's give it a try. There's like a sweet chili sauce on it. Good. This sandwich was super tasty, loaded with flavor, lots of fresh herbs on it. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. All right, now we are headed to the Precious Heritage Art Museum. It's actually a free exhibit where you can go and take a look around. Lemon actually has a degree in photography, so we're gonna go check it out, and it should be pretty cool.
Yeah, I got a lot of awesome photographs.
Bye. Just got done at the Precious Heritage Museum, and that place was incredible and it was free to visit. I honestly don't know why we haven't heard of this before. Our good friends Colleen and Matt said they stumbled across it, and I'm so happy that they told us about it because we learned more than we'd ever learned about Vietnamese culture in the span of an hour.
So it's got a card in front of all the photographs. It's got the history and a little bit of knowledge about the local tribes all across like southern, central, and northern Vietnam. Also, they have the clothing and costumes that go with all the tribes. The only one that we didn't see was a guy that lives in a cave, so he actually didn't wear any clothes.
The photographer is French, and now I can't remember his name.
Rehan.
Rehan actually walked in like right after we did, said hello, and we were like, I think that's him. Anyways, if you come to Hoi An, this is a must stop, especially if you're interested in Vietnamese culture and history. So make sure you make your way down here.
All right, I'll have to get some more coffee.
Which is actually the original name of Banh. I got an iced latte, we got some panna cotta, and lemon lemon cold brew. We've had a lot of Vietnamese coffee lately. It's really strong, so we decided just to get something more traditional.
So I got the lemon cold brew, obviously. Been stopping by a lot of cafes. It's a big part of the Vietnamese culture. What we've learned from one of our subscribers is they're supposed to enjoy it nice and slow. So you see people sitting on the side of the road just slipping away on coffee.
We also learned from that same subscriber, well, we already knew from drinking the Vietnamese coffee that it is so strong. We usually drink like 3 cups a day, and with the Vietnamese cups, we only needed 1. Stopped at the Hoi An wine bar, and it's happy hour. There's buy one get one free glasses of wine, and same with the beers. And we want to thank our friend Alicia for buying us these drinks. She sent us money through our Venmo link, so we'll leave a link in the description box down below. And if you'd like to buy us a cocktail and support the channel, we would appreciate it. And we'll give you a shout out in the next video. Today we're at the market. This is the taro. We're at the market today. We're going to pick up some vegetables and some seafood because we're in cooking class today.
Bitter melon. Better than a bitter lemon.
We picked up all of our ingredients for today, and now we're going to start cooking. We're making an appetizer, a soup, and 2 entrees.
How's it going over there?
My arm hurts. But it's good. It feels good to cook again. We haven't cooked in like 4 months, so I miss this part. Now I just need a glass of wine. Just
Get
kidding.
some of that fresh beer.
It's 11 a.m.
About 1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just peeling some quail eggs.
As usual, Evan's killing it, and I'm slowly chopping away.
It smells so good. I'm starving. Fresh and wow.
Got my heart-shaped wonton, pineapple, onions, garlic, Fresh beer.
Thank you.
We got coriander, cilantro, and fried onions.
Got to be one of the coolest things we have ever done. This restaurant is called Hai, so if you come to Hoi An, you have to come here and do a cooking class. It was very inexpensive. I think we paid $40 US. We got to go to the market, we're cooking everything, and there's karaoke in the background going on. It's just incredible.
Together. Got some beef pho, because I believe pho bo. So it's got fresh beef, pho noodles, green onion that was kind of marinated in there, some red pepper, coriander, and all types of good stuff.
How did the broth come about?
The broth came from the bones, from the beef bones. And then they cooked it for up to an hour there.
You like lemon?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I got some for you.
Alright.
Dip on the top the
Lemon. That's my last name. Lemon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lemon.
Oh, your name lemon?
Yeah.
Alright, give it a taste of.
A little spice from the peppers. A little acidity from the lemon. A whole lot of flavor.
This here you can eat with the fresh bean roll also.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Just cutting up rice paper.
Some crafts over there.
Your typical Monday in Vietnam. Arts and crafts.
Then was ooh.
Wow. That is cool.
Yes.
Really cool.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
wow.
Yeah.
These are the cracked noodles.
Yeah, fresh noodle on the top. Okay.
Just frying up some rice paper. Multitasking. I don't want to turn.
Carrot. Yeah.
Okay.
You look like a natural.
It's good.
Oh, peanuts too.
Yeah, yes. Crispy rice paper. Yeah. And some chili if you want.
Yes.
You can do some. Okay.
So colorful.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can picture the shrimp and the egg also. Okay.
Thank you.
So this is a local specialty, a quan. It's gonna have it's got the noodles in there. You got shrimp, prawns. You got quail egg in here. You got scrambled duck egg, crispy rice paper, all types of veggies. There's some little chili peppers in there. Really excited. It's gonna have like very little broth. So good. And everything we got today is from the local market. She got her mop.
It's good.
Okay, we'll get out of here then.
Let's go. Where's Pat? Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
I think the last time you saw us was just after the cooking class. We kind of spent the rest of the day just walking around Hoi An and taking in all the sights, and now we're just getting ready to pack up because we are heading to
Hue, which is the old imperial city capital of Vietnam.
Yeah, we're really excited to check out some history, so make sure you stay tuned for that upcoming video. And as always, thank you for watching, and your comments and likes and everything really make our days. So keep them coming, and we'll see you on the next one.
All right, bye.
I'm Jeremy Lemon, and we're making meat clam noodles today.
So we've been stopping at a lot of cafes here and walking.
You're doing a good job.
They look like Cadbury dried or Easter eggs. What are those called?
I don't know.
Maybe they're called quail eggs.
All our chef friends are gonna be like, "Don't cut towards your fingers." Like, I know.
I see. You take one, then it's two.
Ah, I was asking. I thought it was two.
Drink it now and then push it out.